Merry Christmas, it's time for gifts!
Now, before I even start, please note no one is paying me to create this video. I'm not receiving any money from any of the sponsors or any of the people who are contributing to this giveaway. I've just asked them to give me stuff to give to you. Please note, however, that if you do buy product using the links below, I will get an affiliate fee. So if you want to support me by buying Hack5 products or Hack the Box products or Boson products, you can use the links below, which are affiliate links. But I am not receiving any money to make this video. I've got Hack5 gift cards to give away so that you can buy some amazing Hack5 products such as these. I've got access points sponsored by Cisco. I've got network adapters if you want to get into ethical hacking. Hack the Box is sponsoring some massive giveaways. Boson are continuing to support me and support the community by giving a whole bunch of stuff away for free. A lot of you have asked for certification training, and I'm really happy to announce that Aruba are sponsoring 5 people to get not only training materials, but to also get coupons to pass their exams. There's some surprise giveaways as well, ccna, Linux, Python, a whole bunch of stuff to give away today. I'm really excited about this giveaway. Hope you enjoy it as well. Please comment below. Let me know what you think about my giveaways. Okay, let's get started. First 1,000 people that use this link will get access to my CCNA course. First 1,000 people that use this link will get access to my Linux course for network engineers. And the first 1,000 people that use this link will get access to my CCNA Labs course. Now, as I've said before, I love running giveaways, but they cause a whole bunch of problems for me. One of those issues is with my YouTube statistics. Many people don't watch the full video, and that causes all kinds of problems for me. So I've hidden secret codes in this video. If you want to improve your chances of winning any one of the giveaways, make sure that you watch the video and find the secret codes and enter those during the giveaway. That will massively improve your chances of winning. Now, big shout out to Boson, who have continued to support me over the years. They're giving 3 places away on the Boson Bombal CCNA mentorship program. Fantastic giveaway if you want to get your CCNA. But not only that, 3 people will win exsim software. This is my recommended software if you're preparing for an exam such as CH or CCNA or another certification. Fantastic exam prep software. And 3 people are going to win netsims from Boson. Really want to thank them for their support during this year. Lots and lots of you have asked for Hack the Box content. I really want to thank them for giving me some fantastic swag such as this. But you should also get some fantastic swag and fantastic prizes from Hack the Box. So use the links below to enter. One person is going to win a silver Hack the Box Academy membership for a year. One person is going to win a ProLab yearly subscription. And 2 people are going to win VIP subscriptions, and 1 person is going to win a winter swag box. These are fantastic prizes from Hack the Box. I really want to thank them for supporting me. Now use this code to improve your chances of winning a Hack the Box prize. Many of you want Hack5 products. I want to thank Darren for once again supporting this giveaway. 2 people are going to win a $100 Hack5 gift card, and 2 people are going to win a $50 Hack5 gift card. I highly recommend the Hack5 products. Fantastic products. You really want to get them if you're into cybersecurity or ethical hacking. I've created a number of videos with the Cisco Business Unit. They are sponsoring 2 140 AC access points. So 2 people will win one of these access points. Please note, like with all the physical product giveaways, there may be restrictions on where the product can be shipped. So as an example, some people will not be able to receive Hack5 products because of restrictions shipping to the country that you're in. Some people will not be able to receive access points. Cisco are going to buy these access points from Amazon.com and they're going to ship them to you, but you have to live in a country where Amazon ships to. So there will be restrictions on where these products can be delivered. The same is true for the Alfa network adapters. A lot of you have asked for Alfa network adapters, and I'm really happy to say that Alfa are supporting this giveaway once again. 4 people will win Alfa network adapters, but if they can't ship it to the country that you're in, you'll get an Amazon e-gift, a $100 Amazon e-gift. So this is one of the problems with running physical product giveaways. I even had other vendors who were going to give me fantastic products to give away, but we had to stop those giveaways because of shipping issues. So just note that I am working on trying to get more stuff to give to you, but there are issues sometimes with the giveaways because of country restrictions. And not all products can be shipped to every country in the world. Big shout out to the Ruber team. They have sponsored a number of videos of mine in the past. I, for instance, demonstrated this 100 gig Ethernet network, insane network speeds that you can get with their switches. They are sponsoring 5 people to not only get study guides, but also get certification vouchers. This is your opportunity to get certified in networking. Get the study guides, go and take the exam and get certified. Josh has supported a number of giveaways in the past. He gets a bunch of stuff from people to give away. He's given me some fantastic prizes. 4 people are going to win Adrian's AWS, all the things. So if you're studying for the cloud, here's your opportunity. Now, I've mentioned this before. I'm working on upgrading my membership program. So $37 a month, you get access to all my content, but I'm working on some fantastic stuff in 2022 to make it the best possible membership I can. I'm hoping to get more content from Boson. I'm hoping to get more content from other companies added to my membership program. 10 people are going to win 12 months access to the David Bombal membership program. Use the links below if you want to join and support me. $37 a month. You get access to all my content, additional courses, and some fantastic stuff is coming in 2022. Now, I was hoping to give away a whole bunch of extra stuff during this giveaway, but I think that's enough. It becomes very difficult to manage these giveaways with all the stuff that we're giving away and all the people that we have to contact to verify that they've actually won something. This is why there are delays with me telling you who's won, because we need to verify that someone's email is actually a valid email and that we haven't just got people spamming us. So it takes time sometimes for people to reply back so that we can verify who the winners are. And that's why it sometimes takes me a long time to announce the winners. So please bear with me. It's only me and a small team that are managing this process. It takes time sometimes to verify all the winners. But let me know, what do you think about the giveaways? Do you enjoy these types of giveaways? Now, to reward those of you who have watched to the end of the video, first 1,000 people that use this link will get access to my CCNA course. And the first 1,000 people that use this link will get access to my CCNA Labs course. First 1,000 people that use this link get access to my Python course. First 1,000 people that use this link get access to my Linux for Network Engineers course. I'm hoping that these courses help you in life. I'm really hoping that things improve in 2022 for you and your family. As always, I want to wish you all the very best for the rest of 2021. I hope that you have a fantastic Christmas and a fantastic New Year. Let's all hope that 2022 is a much better year for you and your family. All the very best.